So hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about console.log method in the JavaScript. So also I'm going to explain you in detail about the console.log method and why we are going to use the console.log method. So let me first explain why we are going to use the console.log method. So the straight and simple answer is, for the debugging purpose we need to use the console.log method. So in our day-to-day life we used to write so many lines of codes, like even 100 lines, 1000 lines, 500 lines of codes. But at a certain time, like, we need to know what is the output of a value of a variable, or even if sometimes we need to show some of the sample test inside the screen. So to just avoid those things, we can simply use the console.log method. And by using the console.log method, we can just debug the output of a value of a variable, or even if we can pass some of the sample text also. So apart from this console.log, there are various other ways are present by which we can debug the JavaScript, but I'm not going to explain you in detail about those things. So and for those things I'm going to explain you in a separate video, like how we can debug the JavaScript code line by line in various ways. But in this video I'm just going to explain you the simple thing, which is the console.log method. And here you can see in the screen like console.log, and here just let me pass like the simple message test console. Okay, but you can pass anything as per your wish. Now just let me go to the UI and refresh the screen. So now here you can see this is my sample.html page, and in the console window there is nothing is there. So to just open the console window, what you need to do, just right click on that particular HTML page and just click on inspect. But as of now I already opened it, so let me just refresh that particular page. So here you can see like this test.console, which is my output. It is already it is showing in the console window of this particular sample.html page. Now let me give you another example. Like here, let me first declare a variable. The variable name is anything, and here I am just going to pass the value as 10. Okay, so this x value I am going to pass it here like x. So I just want to debug this, what is the value of x, and due to that reason I am using the console.log method, and where I'm just passing the value of x. I mean indirectly we are passing x, so like whatever the value present inside the x variable, automatically it will pass to the console.log method. So now if I go to the UI and refresh the screen, so here you can see the 10 value it got displayed. Now let's say if I'll pass some other type of let's say any other type of value, let's say test. Okay, so now the test will be displayed in the UI. So here you can see this test is going to display in the UI. So the console.log method is just for the debugging purpose, like if you want to debug a particular value of a variable, or you want to pass some sample test and to just show in the UI. And the main purpose of the console.log is to debug a particular type of value of the variable. So this is all about our today video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.